Let's start by having a look at the mid function. It's made of three objects. Text. It's the reference cell that contains the characters we want to extract. Starting number. It's the position of the first character we want to extract. And number of characters. It's the length of the string we want to extract. In order to better understand the characters' positions and string's length, let's look at this example. If we wanted to extract James out of this hypothetical cell's content, 1.James Wilson, we'd set the starting number to 4 and the number of characters to 5. Let's see it with an example. I want to extract only the names out of this list of people. For the first I'll type mid, open brackets, C4, 4, which is the position of the first character, J, and 5, which is the length of the name James. Close brackets. Great, now let's take it to the next level. Let's try to apply the same formula to all the items in the list. As we can see, it doesn't work for some of them. Specifically, those which names are not 5 characters long, like Oliver, or those which names don't start with the character in 4th position, like Isabella. In order to solve these problems and make the formula dynamic, so that it works with any case, we need to introduce the function search. The function search returns the number corresponding to the position of a specific character in a cell. The formula is composed of find text, the character of which we want the corresponding position returned. Within text, the cell where the character is found, and start number, an optional field indicating the position we want the function to start searching from. If this is not indicated, the function will start the search from the first character on the right, and if the character is repeated more than once it will return the position in which it appears first. So, here if I want the position of the second space to be returned, I'd have to have the search start from position 4, so that the first space in position 3 is not considered. Let's try to make this formula dynamic by nesting several search functions as mid functions components. The text is going to be in column C, so cell C4 for the first row. For starting number, I'm going to use the first search. It has to return the first character after the first space. So, I'll search space and add 1. For the number of characters, I'll insert the second search. It has to return the position of the second space. So, I'll have it search for space starting from the character after the first space. To do that, I'll insert another search as the starting number of the previous search. It will return the position of the character after the first space. So, I will make it search for space again and add 1. As the second space's position includes some additional characters to the real length of the name, the first number, the period and the first space, I'll have to finally remove those. I'll do it with the last nested search. It will return the position of the first character I want. So, it will remove any character in front. Thus, I'll have it search again for the first space and add 1. Let's now check that the formula works for all the cases. And let's add an extra 1 with a 3 digits number in front to double check. Thank you for watching, and follow for more.